Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to try nails modeling with products from Claresa, and also I will show you colors of gels. So sit down and let's go. This customer came after 5 weeks. To complement the modeling, I started with carbide drill to take off an old gel polish and decorations. I'm sending a builder because after some time it loses its properties and needs to be supplemented. You need to be careful near the nature nail. I adjusted the edge of the nail with nail fill and drilled the upper part. You need to be really gentle. Next in the line is the cuticle adjustment. I used a corundum extension and a diamond ball. I apply prep for degreasing nails, and after prep I used primer acid-free from Claresa. And every this product is allowed to dry without LED lamp. Step is to apply rubber base so that the builder holds well. Just a thin layer as you can see, and then 30 seconds under the lamp. applying a colorless builder from Claresa. And this gel is denser and smooth slowly. I would recommend it to beginners. After 36 under LED lamp, I wiped nails with a cleaner and now adjusted the final shape with a nail fill. And what now? Let's look at the gel polishes from Claresa. I like working with these polishes. They have a beautiful pigment already in the first coat. They are medium dense, and I was surprised by the black and white polishes because they have really strong pigment. So, it was a short excursion into the world of colors, and let's go back to the nails. This pink polish has tiny glitters, so it makes pearl effect. I finished the details with a small brush, each layer for 30 seconds under the lamp. We did 2 coats and then glitter gel polish to make it really bright. And of course again 30 seconds under the LED lamp. You can see how I apply the glitter gel, and after 30 seconds under the LED lamp I used a final gloss diamond top and vanilla oil from Claresa. Voila, that's all. If you like my video, it makes me glad if you will comment or share it. You can also subscribe my channel or watch my Instagram account. If you like company Claresa, you can find it as claresa.sk. So that's all. Have a nice day. Bye.